Many newer Kia and Hyundai vehicles are equipped with a multi-angle reverse camera. The camera buttons located on the factory touchscreen will switch between the different views available. When replacing your factory Kia or Hyundai radio using the Maestro RR, the camera angle control is retained. This short tutorial will demonstrate how to switch your camera angles on your aftermarket radio. While in reverse, use the seek up and down buttons on the steering wheel controls to cycle between the different views. Seek up will cycle to the right, and seek down will cycle to the left. If you are using a Maestro-compatible JVC, Kenwood, or Sony multimedia receiver that supports camera control, you can also change the camera views from the touchscreen. While in reverse, simply tap the hidden button on the right or left side of the touchscreen. This will toggle between the different views available. For more information on iDatalink Maestro integration products, go to www.iDatalink.maestro.com.